Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's tip, what is an incident response plan and do you need one? So an incident response plan is an organized approach to addressing the aftermath of a security breach or cyber attack. Certain industries like medical or financial institutions absolutely should have one. But even if you don't have a lot of sensitive information, it's best to have some idea of what you would do if a cyber attack locked all your files or stole your confidential information. So a few things to consider when you're planning. Physical access to your buildings. What to do with lost or stolen mobile devices. PCI or payment card industry compliance requirements. Data breach incident response requirements. Threat monitoring, and HIPAA compliancy. So we're here to help. Give us a call or send us a message, and we'll help you put together a cyber response plan and also a disaster recovery plan that you can use during these times should we have another virus mess to deal with. Please click on the subscribe button. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please stay safe out there.